Experiencing no service on your AT&T phone after a SIM swap is a common issue. This usually happens due to a glitch in AT&T's network provisioning system, preventing your phone from authenticating with their towers. A SIM swap transfers your phone number from one SIM card to another, which can be triggered legitimately for device upgrades. However, problems can arise if the network fails to update the SIM's authentication keys correctly, or if the swap was initiated fraudulently. This usually happens due to a glitch in AT&T's network provisioning system, preventing your phone from authenticating with their towers. Problems can also arise if the swap was initiated fraudulently, where attackers use social engineering to transfer your number and lock you out. SIM swapping is the process of moving your phone number from one SIM card to another. This is a standard procedure when upgrading devices, but it can also be exploited by attackers. AT&T, like other carriers, allows SIM swaps through their app, website, or customer service for legitimate purposes such as getting a new phone. When done legitimately, SIM swapping allows you to keep your phone number while switching to a new SIM card, such as when you get a new device. However, SIM swapping can be exploited maliciously. Cybercriminals often use social engineering tactics, such as phishing emails that appear to be from AT&T, to obtain your account details and request a fraudulent SIM swap. When a fraudulent SIM swap occurs, you lose access to your phone service, and the attacker gains control of your number. This can lead to account takeovers, where they access your banking apps, email, and other sensitive accounts, resulting in financial losses and identity theft. To combat these threats, AT&T requires two-factor authentication with biometric verification for all SIM swap requests. This includes facial recognition or fingerprint checks to ensure the person requesting the swap is authorized. Despite these improvements, vulnerabilities persist. Sophisticated attackers can still obtain personal information through various means, and not all verification methods are foolproof. AT&T continues to monitor and update their security protocols. AT&T's primary method for fixing no-service issues after a SIM swap is through over-the-air or OTA updates. These updates remotely re-provision the SIM card, automatically correcting any mismatches in the network's database. If you're experiencing no service after an AT&T SIM swap, there are several troubleshooting steps you can try before contacting support. These basic fixes often resolve the issue quickly. First, perform a power cycle. Turn your phone off completely for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. This simple step refreshes your device's connection to the network and can resolve many temporary issues. Next, check for carrier settings updates. On iPhone, go to Settings, General, About. On Android, go to Settings, System Update. Look for any carrier updates and install them if available. Third, manually reset your APN settings. The access point name controls data connections. On Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Advanced Access Point Names. Delete any custom entries and restore AT&T defaults. Finally, if these steps fail, contact AT&T support directly. Request a SIM refresh, where AT&T manually re-provisions your SIM card over the air or provides a replacement. This typically resolves the issue within 24 to 48 hours. These troubleshooting steps should resolve most no-service issues after an AT&T SIM swap. Remember, if you suspect fraudulent activity, follow additional security measures. If you suspect your SIM has been swapped fraudulently, act quickly to protect yourself and recover access to your services. First, immediately report the incident to AT&T customer service and submit a report through the FCC's SIM swap reporting tool. This helps authorities track and prevent further fraud. AT&T will assist you in reinstating your PIN and reactivating your SIM card. They may require verification of your identity to ensure security. Next, change all your online account passwords, especially those linked to your phone number, for two-factor authentication. Use strong, unique passwords for each account. Finally, keep a close eye on your bank and credit card statements for any unauthorized transactions. Contact your financial institutions immediately if you notice suspicious activity. In response to increasing SIM swap attacks, AT&T has implemented enhanced security measures. These include mandatory app-based SIM swap verification using two-factor authentication with biometric checks like facial recognition or fingerprint scanning. These measures are aimed at preventing unauthorized SIM swaps and reducing no-service incidents. In 2025, AT&T agreed to pay $12 million in FCC fines for failing to protect against SIM swap fraud adequately. The mobile industry is evolving toward more secure technologies to prevent SIM swap fraud and service disruptions. Embedded SIM cards, or eSIMs, represent a major advancement in mobile security. Traditional SIM cards have evolved from the original credit card-sized format to micro and nano SIMs, and now to the fully digital eSIM. eSIMs are embedded directly in the device's hardware, making them much harder to clone or swap without physical access to the phone. AT&T is actively investing in eSIM technology to enhance security. The carrier is implementing eSIM support across their network. They're also deploying AI-driven systems to detect and prevent fraudulent SIM swaps before they occur. Looking further ahead, decentralized identifiers using blockchain technology could eliminate SIM swaps entirely. These systems store user credentials on a blockchain, providing independence from centralized carriers. By using blockchain-based identifiers, users gain cryptographically secure access to mobile services without traditional SIM cards, greatly reducing the risk of fraud and service interruptions. Protect yourself from SIM swap fraud by enabling two-factor authentication on all your online accounts, especially those linked to your phone number. Be cautious about sharing personal information online and avoid clicking suspicious links in emails or texts. Regularly monitor your AT&T account for any unauthorized changes. By staying vigilant, you can significantly reduce your risk of becoming a victim of SIM swap fraud and experiencing no service issues.